And now let's move on the concept of the refraction. We start with the incident light ray. Incident light ray. We have incident light ray and the normal line. So we have angle of incidence. So the angle of incidence in the refraction as the angle between the incident light ray and the normal line. Also we have the refracting ray and the normal line. So we have the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is the angle between the refracting ray and the normal line. Also, in some cases, as passing of the light ray through the prism, we have third angle as the angle of emergence or the angle of emergence. This is the angle between the light ray as emerge light ray and the normal line. And as we have laws of light reflection, we have laws of light refraction. The laws of the light refraction as the path of the light ray fall on the interface between two transparent media, differ in their optical density as we said before. So the optical density that controlling the angles of the refraction. There we have some cases of the pathing of the path of the light ray when it fall on the or between two transparent media. Number one, from the lower as air or water. So the air or water is lower in the optical density than the glass. So when the light ray fall on a medium like the air or water to the glass, from the lower to the higher, it refracts near to the normal line, In figure A, this is a first case of falling or passing of the light ray from the air to the glass, from the lower to the higher. So the refraction in this case, or the angle of refraction, is emerge near to the normal line. So the angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. One more time. In the first case, when the light ray fall from the lower optical density to the higher optical density, from the air to the glass, the refracting light ray, it will be near to the normal line, So the angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. In second case, when the light ray is passed from the glass with higher optical density to the air is lower optical density, so the refracting light ray will refract far from the normal line, So the angle of refracting or refraction is more than the angle of incidence. And in the third case, we have when the light ray pass from the glass to the air perpendicular, so it pass without any refraction. So the angle of incidence equal 0 and the angle of refraction equal 0. And there we have natural phenomena that related to the reflection and refraction. We have apparent shapes of the objects. When we put a pencil inside water, it's immersed inside water, so the pencil seemed to be broken due to the refraction of the light ray. And also we have the apparent position of the objects. When we submerge object inside water, it's seen in the apparent position, slightly above its real position, as the coin shown in this figure. So the coin is not in the real position. It's slightly above its real position. Why? Due to the refraction of the light coming from the submerged object far from the normal. Second phenomena, we have the mirage, the normal phenomenon that take place in the desert at noon, especially in the summer time. So at the summer times, at afternoon, we have the noon, we have the phenomenon known as mirage. When the air heated the layers by the convection, the total internal reflection happen. So the layer appears as watery area, and the inverted image is formed below the object. So the mirage is due to the refraction of the light through the layer of the air.